Hey, what are you doing to my car? Why are you ruining my car like this?
Oh, I'm giving it a fresh new look. Just wait, it'll look amazing when it's done.
This car, it was my dad's. The last thing he left me before he passed. You painted over the memories.
I didn't know. I'm so sorry. I thought I was doing something cool. I did not mean to hurt you.
I came out here every day just to feel close to him, and now it's gone.
No, I can't undo what I did, but I'll try. I'll clean it. Please, don't call the police.
It's not about the police. It's about respect. About memories. You can't just paint over them.
Good boys and girls, I made a triple mistake. If you believe everyone deserves a second chance, please like this video and subscribe and comment, don't call the police.